Hi, my name is Disha Saratkar. I am explaining about transportation in plant. The subtopics are: first, transport of water; second, transpiration; third, transport of food and other substances. Plants lack a regular circulatory system like animals have. We all know that plants prepare their food from CO2 and water in their leaves. The other materials present in plant body like nitrogen, phosphorus and minerals are taken directly from the soil. The conduction of some material to short distances occur through diffusion, while for longer distances a need of proper transportation system arises. Therefore, two pathways have developed in plant independently which comprises of: first, xylem tissues; second, phloem tissues. Xylem transport water and minerals obtained from the soil, and phloem vascular tissue transport product of photosynthesis from leaves to other parts of the plant. Transport of water. Xylem tissues of plants have interconnected network of vessels and tracheids of fruits, stems and leaves. They form continuous system of water conducting channels which reaches all parts of the plant. The water that enters into the roots from soil eliminated these differences, that is, making the concentration equal. Hence, there is a steady movement of water into roots xylem from the soil that creates a column of water pushing it upward. The water which is lost through the stomata is replaced by water from the xylem vessels in the leaf. Evaporation of water molecules from leaf cells create a suction which pulls water from the xylem cells of the root. Transpiration. Loss of water in the form of vapors from the aerial part of the plant is called transpiration. It takes place mainly through the stomata. It has following advantages. First, it helps in the absorption and upward movement of water and minerals, creating a transpiration pool. Second, it helps in the regulation of temperature. Third, it maintains a constant supply of ions to the leaves. Fourth, it removes excess water. Transport of food and other substances. The transport or movement of soluble products of photosynthesis from leaves to other part of the plants is termed as translocation. It occurs in the part of vascular tissue known as phloem. Beside the product of photosynthesis, phloem also transport amino acid and